Good morning, guys. This is my last day in London. I'm going for grocery shopping and I'm gonna go shop some groceries. Then I'm gonna go here and there. Just came from gym. Did a nice session in the gym. It's a nice sunny day today, at least for now. We'll see about like what happens in future. Maybe like 2-3 hours from now, but for now it's sunny. It's a nice day. Nice day. Just gonna get some eggs, some milk, and maybe some, I don't know, juice and stuff. But yeah, gonna do final shopping for my dog. I got so many bones for him. You have no idea. I got so many treats and toys. I'm gonna get something more, maybe 1 or 2 more things, and yeah, that's about it. Today's nice. It's not even cold, like it's okayish. Like I'm comfortable in the sweater, but like normal people would just be wearing a t-shirt, you know. Is that kind of weather. But yeah, it's nice. Let me just cross the road. Store. It's a very big store. I don't know, you enter, you have to literally buy 2 things and still you end up spending like 2 hours. I don't know why. But today, I hope it's quick because I'm very hungry now. I just came from gym and I'm too... So just gonna quickly complete my grocery shopping. Gonna go back, make some eggs, have a slice, and then go for my last day of shopping. Good morning, actually good afternoon from a new and final day in London. Tomorrow I'm leaving for home, but today this is my outfit and I'm just wearing this randomly, just going for some shopping. Just gonna come back home quickly and gonna pack. I have lots of things to pack. You know how much I've shopped, and yeah, I have lots of things to take home for Tiger, for mom, everyone else. So that's about it. And yeah, it was nice. I don't know how these 2 weeks just passed away so quickly, but yeah, it's a nice sunny day. Yes, it is. You know, I have been so blessed that all days in London have been sunny for me. But right now I'm in tube and people are looking at me because I'm clicking my video. I think people just don't click videos here, or they click in some place where people don't see them, because I can't see anybody doing that. Anyways, I don't know if you can hear me. I guess the mic's working, but yeah. Just going. Might fall down. I came running into this train because I was leaving. Almost the doors closed on me, but yeah, I had to take this train. So right now I'm about to fall down because I'm not sitting down. It's too bumpy. This is my sister's hallway. We're going to a cafe in Liverpool Street. It never stops, does it? Come on guys, let me take you to a cafe in Liverpool Street. I've already been there, like I've already given the review of coffee over there, Black Sheep. But today I'm just gonna go there, spend some time. Guys, I'm here we got our coffee, I got iced latte, she got Americano with a splash of milk. Now we're just roaming around. Sasha's taking me somewhere. Oh, Pizza Express. You know, I've heard this is so good. I don't know. Anyways, just roaming around the city. Where the hell did the sun go? Yeah, this is nice coffee. Small is nice. It's not even strong for me. Too good. नो आइस लाटे, ऊपर तक मिलता है इसमें. So we are at a place. I don't know where this is, but it seems nice. I'm clicking pictures and videos. People are looking at me. I'm looking like a tourist, but guess what? I am a tourist and I don't care. Yeah. Actually, someone else is also getting pictures clicked. Hi guys, so guess what? Today I'm finally going back to India. Yay! By the way, my flight got delayed by 1 hour or something like that, so I decided, you know what, why not just go to central London again? I mean, my sister's like, she has some time before her class starts, so we'll just go for an hour or two and we'll just sit around, walk around, I don't know, just spend some time. And then my flights are 10:30 now, so I'm gonna go for the airport around 5ish, 6ish, something like that. Today it's so sunny. It's so sunny, like it's the hot sunny weather today. It's not like, oh, it's sunny, but it's like cold winds are going on and something like that. I have to wear sweater. Today I'm literally not wearing any sweater. I'm just wearing this t-shirt and this. You know what, I feel like I'm gonna regret that later, but let's hope I won't, right? Guys, it's so sunny. It's not even cold. It's not cold. It's not cold. Catch it. Coffee, guys. This is ice mocha. This is ice latte. Is it Sasha? Do you like it? She says it's nice. Hello people, guess where I am? I'm at the airport and I'm leaving London. The trip was nice. It was really nice. I had so much fun and I'm gonna miss my sister. I'm gonna come back soon. Actually, she's gonna come back first. The full ruckus at the check-in counter because I had so many bags. The wait was like so much. So I'm gonna see you guys. It's a 10-hour flight and I hope I sleep on the flight. I have some editing to do because I have so many clips and content that I literally didn't get time to edit. Literally nothing. So I'm gonna do that on the plane. 10 hours flight, I have to do a lot. So I'll catch you later.